Again, we're now here at the Book Center. You're still a student of the Steiner program.
For a few more days.
Yes. Can you think of some highlights of the program?
Oh, absolutely. Like, everything has been a highlight. But if I had to choose a few, definitely my internship with the Wexler Oral History Project, because it was such a great complement to studying Yiddish in class, because I got to hear and listen to interviews by real-life native speakers of Yiddish, talking about their life, their memories, their family history, their personal stories. And I was very excited to realize that I was able to, for the most part, understand the interviews and work with them and contribute to the project. I also loved how much singing and dancing there was in the program, even though I'm not a great singer myself, but I really liked that my teacher here, Rivke or Rebecca Margolis, incorporated so much singing into each and every day of class, because I think that Yiddish is a very musical language. A lot of people have surely said that before me, but it's true. And music and Yiddish kind of go hand in hand somehow. And other than that, definitely this feeling of this small community of bright and energetic people coming together for this shared, goal of learning Yiddish, and seeing how different everyone's story is and how diverse this community is, a lot more diverse than I would have imagined. So I'm very excited to see that people from different backgrounds and different walks of life are coming to Yiddish for different reasons. Yeah.